Best local delivery apps for Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to present for you 6 of the best local delivery apps or pickup apps that you're going to find into the Shopify App Store, and where can we find them, or the name of them. So you're going to find them into your Shopify store, and then you're going to download them. So we're going to start with the first one, which is going to be the shipping and delivery. For the few steps that we need to do before having the apps, basically you need to head over shopify.com, sign in for the account, and have the access to the admin dashboard. After that, you're going to click on the search bar and type in the name of the app that you like. So here, the first one is going to be shipping and delivery, or ShipZip. As you can see, this is going to be a very good app, very high rating of a 5 stars or for over 400, as you can see, reviewer. So this app is going to be very popular into the Shopify, although they have a little bit of a few reviewers, but it is going to be dealing with the best deals. So this app is going to have a free plan to use and also a free trial if you want to have more premium features. So the more features that you're going to get into an app, the more comfortable it is going to be used. So you can add, for example, the rates of the pickup. You can have, for example, some condition for any of the pickups that you're going to have, and this is something good. Maybe the weight and maybe the height or the dimensions. You can set up the or set up a check delivery postcode and have it right away and let it calculate the fees for the customers from the product page itself. This is something very cool, and also let the customers do their math about the shipping rates and etc. So as you can see here, also it is going to have the widget for that into the checkout for the check delivery post as a shipping, local delivery, store pickup, and etc. It is going to let you or help the customers search by zip code or the postal code, and it is going to be having a easiness for the customization also for the colors, as you can see. Now, basically, you can restrict the PO boxes from this app. It is going to be automatic, and product tags, and also shipping by tags. The shipping rules are going to be based on the delivery date and like extra charge on the weekend delivery. Maybe if you're going to offer a weekend delivery, and everything is going to run with SKU codes, tracking codes, and etc. You can use the carriers integrated within here. As you can see, Canada Post, Australia Post, FedEx, United States Postal Service. And I think they have some more. So that was the first one. Remember it, ShipZip, or shipping and delivery. The second one is going to be called Stellar Delivery Date and Pickup. It is going to have also a very high rating of a 4.8 and above 800 reviewer. So this one is going to be very practical, very simple, and very professional. It has a security code to validate the pickup, as you can see, and also a Google map to locate the store on the cart page. Basically, it is going to be a more professional one. You can select the shipping dates that you want. Maybe you're not going to be available in a specific date, or you're going to not be home at, or not home, basically, you're not going to be available in a specific date. You can program your shipping date, and then you can have everything set up into the subtotal. So everything is going to be on the cart, and the shipping is going to be calculated within a specific widget that will take over everything. So we have also like the before app, we have the shipping, local delivery, and store pickup. So everything is going to be scheduled, and everything is not going to be together but separated and also very well organized. So you can go ahead and set up the different delivery date for different products. Maybe you're going to set it automatic, maybe you're going to set it manual, and everything is going to be scheduled. So as you can see here, we have the widget. This is the phone version. It is going to be the same as the desktop version. So we have this one, the shipping, store, pickup, local delivery, like that, and also the clients could put the postal code for the local delivery and have it calculated right away. Now, moving on to the third app, which is going to be Easy Routes Local Delivery. This is going to be a very cool and very cool, I mean by that, app, but unfortunately, it is not compatible with my store. Maybe depending on the regions that has been used in this store, but it doesn't matter. So this is going to be a very precise interactive app that will obtain a map, a live, let's say, tracking for the pickup, and also it will set up the delivery times and everything for the customers. So it will let the customers track the orders and also have the delivery notification set up. So it will help you a lot. Basically, it is going to be having the local delivery and also order pickup, custom stops, and etc. And it has also a free plan, I think, that you can use, and it is going to have also a very high rating. Now, moving on to the fourth app, which is going to be called Local Delivery Plus Pickup dash SE. So this is the name. You need only to pick the right name of the app that you want, copy and paste it, or type it into the search apps from here, your Shopify store, and you're going to find it right away. So this app is going to be free to install. As always, the premium features are going to be set up apart, so you're going to need to pay for maybe a subscription or for a little bit of fee into the app to get the access to them. So you can set up the cutoff, prep time, blackout dates, limit order per slot for delivery and pickup, and create routes and stops with a time estimation while tracking updates in real time, and etc. The widget is going to be more lively compared to the other ones. As you can see, we have some, let's say, icons. We have some animations right there. Also, the date is going to be integrated within the same widget. So it is going to be very interactive. We have also the AI optimized routes that will help the delivery and also the pickup. You can have the driver analytics and monitoring and also real-time actualization. Now, moving on to the fifth one, which is going to be Zapiet. Zapiet, not Zapier. So, Zapiet Pickup Plus Delivery. This is the app. As you can see, it has the most rating or number of reviewers. It has a 4.9 rating, and it is going to be considered as a high rating comparing the other ones. So, you're going to have the same features, but you're going to have here the point of sale indicated into the map directly from the product page. You can set up the order limits, point of sale, date and time. Also, it is going to control the delivery areas, preparing time tracking, and control quantity of orders during the time slot. As you can see, it is going to be very good also for stores and very good for online stores. Now, moving on to the last one, which is going to be the pickup delivery date or Pick Easy. This is the name of the app. Also, a very good high rating, free plan available, and also free trial. For Zapier, also, it is going to be the same thing. They are going to be, most of the apps are going to be built for Shopify, so we are not going to find a bug or a problem with them. So for this one also, it is going to have the programmation or the dates, also the organization of the times, the zip code set up for the delivery, and etc. So you can set up the availability, the local and the store pickup, set up the limitation for the orders, and have some little bit of conditions right there for setting up the dates. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.